Hi, my name's Colin Miller and I'm from School of Management Languages at Heriot-Watt University. We're looking at vision. This is what you see when you log in to Heriot-Watt University's virtual learning environment. If you haven't already done so and you're not sure how to log in, please check a previous video. I'll link it in the description. Now, this screen is made up of three main areas, and what I'm going to do is talk you through the first screen, and then we're going to have a look at a couple of examples of courses just to show you how they can differ, but also where they will always be similar. Your first row along the top includes a list of all your courses, access to Heriot-Watt University's library and IT services, and if you're a member of any organisations, then you'll see them listed here. Don't worry about these two tabs, they're just for my account. On further to the right, we can link into the Heriot-Watt University website by clicking on the logo, and we also have a hidden menu in the right hand side which gives us access to further options which I will go into later. The last thing of note on this part of the page is the logout button. If you are using a computer in a shared environment, it's advisable first of all to log out and then close the browser. This is to ensure this next person coming along doesn't access the browser and then log in as yourself. So always double check that you are logged in with the proper account. So on the main page, when you log in, there's also options on this row here, and vision is this standard page and you can always get back to it by that. There's a notifications dashboard. I'll not go into it in any detail because it is not widely used in Heriot-Watt University, and you can also access the Heriot-Watt University email service by this. Although it is a separate service, the Heriot-Watt email can be accessed from within Vision as well, and you would have to log in using the same details that you use to log into Vision to access your student email account. Just a little bit further down, there's a button here called Add Module. Now, I should explain that this is very much a Vision related button. If you press this, you will see why I say that. These are all small, think of them as apps for your front page of Vision. You can add and remove information. For example, if I wanted to add information that helped me search for journals in the library and perhaps some library guides, I could add them. And if I wanted to remove information about Student Union, for example, then I can select that. Having made my selection, I can then click OK, and then now I see here that journals and library guides are added. Another interesting part on this page is the option to customize. You can pick colours, for example. The default is grey, and you can always get back to it by clicking on there, but you can equally pick more vibrant or more subdued colours if you wish. Happy with the colour change, and now we see a much more vibrant page. I am going to stick with the default, however. So the main part of this page, a series of boxes with headers. Note that as I mouse over each of these headers, my cursor changes from an arrow to a set of compass points. This means I can press and hold my left mouse button and drag the item around the screen. Advantage of this, I can customize the page to put the most frequently referenced information in the most prominent positions.